On a crispy winter morning, my school friends and our parents planned a picnic at the Nature Park in Taratala, Kolkata. The park welcomes visitors every day from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We 6 friends embarked on a journey from various parts of Kolkata in our individual cars.
Hi, this is Adya. You're watching True Travels.
Amidst the park where blossoms bloom, butterflies dance in vibrant bloom, nature's canvas, a sight so grand, flowers and wings, hand in hand.
We've come here is sort of picnic, a get-together of So let me introduce one of my friends. He's Ashmita. He's my classmate. So, hello. This is Sharmila.
Hi.
You know Ashmita. This is Akrita.
Hi.
This is my little Shumita.
Hi.
And this is Sharadya.
Hello.
And this is Aheli.
Hello.
So, ready for our trip? Let's go.
The park offers an array of amusements and spaces to explore. From wings to football, there's something for everyone. Our parents delighted in a game of badminton, embracing the park's diverse recreational offerings. After our morning warm-up, we began our exploration of the area. We were amazed to witness a multitude of vegetable cultivations taking place here. Wherever our gaze wandered, we experienced a refreshing sensation, feeling as vibrant as the greenery, as serene as the water, and as liberated as the birds in I'd like to mention that among our 6 friends, we have a dear little sister named Sumita, just like a cherished yellow rose. It's time for a well-deserved food break. Age is no barrier on a day dedicated to play and enjoyment. We savored the joy of playing together throughout the entire day.
Who's that behind you? Where's he taking your backpack?
Well, such incidents are unlikely here to the robust security system in place. Additionally, the washrooms and trash facilities are exceptionally well maintained. No need to fret. Simply keep in exploring and relishing every moment of your enjoyment. Let's reminisce and share some of our sweetest memories together. Suddenly, our stomachs rumbled as the irresistible aroma of hot pakoras from another picnic party caught our attention. It's worthy noting that the park provides cooking facilities. Nevertheless, east or west, our moms are the best. They had prepared a delightful array of dishes, from chow mein and fried rice to luchi, including chicken, paneer, sweets, and salads. Our lunch spread was diverse and delicious, and we joyously began savoring the milk together. We were also joined by some adorable squirrels. We've indulged a bit too much. All we crave now is some rest. I found a patch of fresh green grass, laid down, and witnessed the sky's unparalleled beauty. The tree's shadow felt like Mother Nature. It's time to explore the avian inhabitants of the nature park. Many migratory birds flock here during this season, creating a captivating sight to behold.
So, it's a wonderful place right in front of your eyes.
Boating facilities are accessible here. There are intriguing toy cars available for children. While exploring, I stumbled upon a bustling team of ants. Observing them, I marveled at the delicate and unified work, which taught me the valuable lesson of teamwork and cooperation. The most captivating part was the treasure hunt organized by our kind aunt, which brought us an incredible and joyous moment of the day. But before we depart, let's take a moment to share our brief reflections and experiences from this wonderful day.
So, let's have an interview. Shumetha, how was it?
Played badminton and ate different types of food. I really have some fun.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Ashmita, can you tell us something about your trip?
Why me? I just want to say one word, that it was awesome.
Alright, that's great. Okay, Sharadya, can you tell us about your trip?
Sure. We enjoyed this trip very much. According to me, we need some leisure time in our life, and this picnic helped us to refresh our minds and come back to our day-to-day life and busy schedule. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Sharadya.
As it's approaching 4:30 p.m., our time here draws to a close. The park boasts a well-organized parking area where we comfortably retrieved our cars before heading back to our respective homes.
Get, set, go!